Welcome to Greg Works. Today's video is on the groundbreaking on our house of what I call the farm. No, it's not a real farm, but I'm going to act like it is. Here's Greg taking the first swipe at our future driveway, which will be a rock driveway for a while. In the future, we may asphalt it. The general contractor, Chris, is seen in the background resetting his stake to mark the edge of the foundation for the house. It was very interesting watching Chris and himself lay out the stakes and boundaries for the house. Here's another angle showing Greg digging the driveway. Greg did mention that this was a Jeffco dream job because of all the topsoil and the lack of rock. The house will be a walkout with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. The walkout will allow me to set up a temporary shop in the basement until we decide on something more permanent to farm that shop. Doubtful when we put in concrete drive because there is gravel road to the house. I could have watched him work that Caterpillar all day, but really didn't have that kind of time. Here's a view at the end of the day. After Chris and Greg put in the driveway with broken concrete and Greg dug out the foundation. You can also see Mrs. Graybird waving hello. That ought to be a great driveway with a foot of broken concrete and later gravel laid on that. This is a view at the back of the future house, looking at the foundation that was dug today. Greg has a little bit more to dig out, but he has accomplished quite a bit in a day. This is a view looking from the west towards the east. I'm standing in the excavated pit for the foundation and panning to show that very little rock was hit. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.